Came in. Seems well packaged. Let's see what we got. See what we got. Got some plastic. Some additional stuff in there. There's the weather stripping. It's the instructions. Seems simple enough. Please peel this off before application. Makes sense. Four of these. I'm going to secure it. They've got those little, I'll show you the little slots on the windshield, so that'll go through and then clamps it around, holds it in. And if you want to take it out, you can pop it out. Carry it over there and test fit before we put the weather stripping on it. See how that looks. Okay, to test fit, I don't even think that took me 2 minutes to do. I wouldn't even had to put the clamps in if I had another person helping me. But I just put that in so it would sit above this where it's supposed to sit, so I could do the video. But get it up close. Still got to put the weather stripping on it, so we'll do that next. And then pop, peel the film off, put the weather stripping on, pop those in. I fully expect to be up and running in 5 minutes. But you know what? Let's start a timer and we'll see how long it actually takes. All right, I'm gonna hit start. Got the drone flying. Taking this and running it around and bringing it in so that you can flip it around. Now that wants to pop out, push it back around so you can put that in there. This is a lot easier before you put the weather stripping in because you have more room, but that's okay. It's just all going to end up being tight, which is what you want. So that's ready. I'll show you that. See how it comes across from there, and then you're going to pull it and Velcro it back and make it cinch it tight on there. That's pretty much in place. That's it, that's installed. So you can pop that out anytime you want. With any weather stripping, I can tell you from doing tons of installs in cars, when it's brand new, it's super tight. So I would assume we'll be adjusting this a little bit over time, which makes it easy because it's got the Velcro straps. And there you go. So now we've got a windscreen. Fits pretty good. Let's go test it out. All right, first drive. This is what it looks like from inside. First, we're going to drive over to the dumpster and get rid of our trash from the installation, packaging and such. And then we're going to race around a little bit and see what kind of, how much better this is now without dust and dirt and bugs pounding me in the face. One of the things I had to always do is worry about my hat flying off. Still don't have a roof yet, but we'll see how much this helps with that. Less chaotic. All right, time to test the windshield. This is a good place to do it. Pass clear, plenty of dirt and dust though, so dry. Let's see how it keeps it out of the coming on me. Dust in the eyes, that's nice for a change. Let's see if I can find some tree limbs to run into. Times I'm driving around, I want to just take off through the woods. Do a few tests. The kind of things that happen, or tree limbs like this fall. Stuff hits me all the time. Nope. Yeah, that's just dirt. Clean that one, get rid of the house. No marks. Scratch resistant. Durable. Just what we needed. Next thing I need is a roof. So if somebody wants me to test one of those, let me know. See, that did the trick. Laid right at the last. And I gotta get a pressure washer. Mrs. Bealy good kills me for all the dirt. We'll get that probably next weekend. Clean this thing up. Yeah, there we go. Blah, blah, blah. There'll be a link in the description where you can reach out to Kemimoto, tell them that Bealy Good sent you, and should hook you up. Have a Bealy Good day.